Hello children, welcome back to our maths class children. So like in our previous video children, we have learned the introduction of 5 and 6 digit numbers, that is the place is up to 10,000s and then lakhs place children. 5th place 10,000s and then 6th place lakhs place. And also you have learned how to read and write the 5 and 6 digit numbers. You have written the expanded form. I hope you watched the video and completed and tried the sums in exercise 1.1 children. Okay, so let us come back to today's topic children, which is nothing but the place value and face value children. So before going to place value and face value, what are they? Let us come back to our Indian place value system. So here, whatever places we have learned, written children, look here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and then lakhs. These places already you have learned. Okay, so now each place in this place value chart has got a certain value attached to this children. So each place in the Indian place value system has got its place value children. So what are the values? Let me write what are the values for each place. Now coming from the ones place children, the place value for the ones place is 1. The place value for the tens place is 10 children. 10. The place value for hundreds place is 100. Thousands place 1000. And 10,000s place, yes, 1 followed by 4 zeros 10,000. The lakhs place 1 followed by 5 zeros, which is 1 lakh children. So these are the place values of each place children. So now coming to the definition of place value children. What is a place value? Okay, the place value of a digit in a number is the place value of the digit depending on its place. Okay children. So the value of the digit, okay, the value of a digit in a number based on its position or based on its place is called as the place value children. So now for example, let me take one number children. Let me take one number 4,236 children. Example 4,236. Okay, let us see what are the place values of each digit here children. Already I told you each place has got its own value. Now coming to this digit, 6 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, similarly 4 is in thousands place. Now 6 is in ones place. What is the place value of ones place? 1 children. The place value of ones place is 1. So 6 is the digit present in ones place. So its place value is 6 into 1 children. 6 into 1 because it is in ones place. 6 is the digit. 6 into 1, it is 6 children. The place value of 6 is 6. Next coming to 3. 3 is in tens place. The place value of 10 is 10 children. Here tens place value is 10. 3 is in that place. So I need to multiply 3 with 10. So the place value of 3 is 3 into 10, which is 30. Likewise 2 is in hundreds place. The value of hundreds place is 100. 2 is in that place. So 2 into 100, 200. 2 into 100, 200. Similarly 4 is in thousands place. Its place value is 4 into 1000, which is 4,000. You can see children here. You can see here the value of the digit depending on its position in the number, depending on its place. We are writing the place value. Okay children. So this is called as the place value of the digit children. Now you can observe very clearly the place values increase from right to left. That is, as you go to higher places, the values also increase children. Okay. Now see here. Let me take here, change this example, one digit in thousands place. I make it 6 again children. Okay, I change the digit in the thousands place to 6. Now already I have one 6 in the ones place, whose place value I wrote it as 6. Now coming to the 6 in the thousands place, what would be its place value children? Come on. What would be not 6 children here. Now because this 6 is in thousands place now, its place value will be 6 into 1000, which is 6000 children. 6 into 1000, 6000. As you can see here, the digit is same. 6 is the same digit we have taken, but its place is ones. This one place is thousands. So depending on the place value has changed. So that is the definition of the place value, children. The value of the digit depending on its position in the number. Now next come back to face value, children. Let's see what is face value. See, whenever you see your face in the mirror, you will be seeing your face only. Okay, yes or no? Your face only you will be seeing. So likewise, face value of a digit is nothing but the value of the digit itself. Okay, it doesn't depend on the position, it doesn't depend on which place it is in. Okay, it's just simply the value of that digit only. So same example I am going to take here, 4236. Okay, let me see what are the face values now. The face value of 6. Okay, although these are in ones, tens, hundreds and thousand places. Okay, but see here, the face value of 6 is 6 only. The face value of 3 is 3 only. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 4 is 4. Okay, it doesn't change. Okay, based on the position. Okay, so the face value of that digit is nothing but the value of the digit itself. The digit itself is the face value. Okay, children. So place value, face value. I hope you understood these two important topics, children. And one more thing you can compare here. Whatever digit is present in one's place, okay, its place value and face value will be same, children. Okay, its place and face values will be same for any digit which is present in the one's place. Okay, children. So I hope you understood what is place value and face value. So let us do exercise 1.2. A few problems, children. Okay, so let us start with number A. What is it? Fill in the table with place and place value of the underlined digit here, children. Underlined digit. Actually, it's given like color digit in your textbook, children. But I have underlined the digit here. Okay, so let us see. This is the first number. What is the underlined digit in the first number? 6, children. To write the place and place value, we need to know which place the digit is in. Let's see which place the digit is in. First digit is in ones place. Next digit is in tens place. So my underlined digit is in which place, children? It is in tens place. So let me write the place. Tens place. Now what is the place value of the tens place? I know it is 10. Now the digit in the tens place is 6. So 6 into 10, which is 60, is the place value for this underlined digit. 60. 60 is the place value, children. Place is tens. Place value is 60. Next, come to the second sum. Okay, which is underlined digit here? 0. 0 is in which place, children? Here 0 is in ones place, starting place. So ones place is the place name here, ones. And what is the place value of 0? Okay, see, place value of ones place is 1 and the 0 is in that place. So 0 into 1 is 0 itself. So what is the value of 0 here? 0 itself. Okay, likewise similarly 2, 3 sums are there, children. You can write it very easily. Place name and its place value. Okay, children. Now let us move on to bit number B, children. Second bit, children. What is the bit? Write the digit that has greatest place value. Okay. And third one is write the digit that has the least place value. So before I have written the places and the place values, children, and I already told you, when you move to the like left side, from right to left, that is from ones place to lakhs place, smaller places to higher places, the place value increases. As the place increase, the place value also increase. So if I want to write the greatest place, I need to see which is the greatest place in this digit. Okay, which digit has greatest place value. I need to see which is the greatest place in this given number. Okay, so this is the last one, children. Last one, which place it is in? See, if I come from here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 10,000 is the greatest place here. Okay, what is the digit in the 10,000's place? 2. So the digit 2 has got greatest place value here. So I need to write that 2 here. Beside a box is given, you can write there. Okay children. Similarly, least place value. Least place value, which digit will be having? The one which is in the least place. Which is the least place? Obviously, one's place is the least place children. So this is the place. So which digit is in the one's place? 7 is the digit here in this given sum. So I need to write 7. Okay children. So I hope you understood first, second and third bits. So you can solve the remaining sums in these 3 bits children. Okay children. So you can solve the remaining sums in these 3 bits children. Very simple. You can try it. Okay. Thank you.